glad you signed for us this season.
Yeah, I've heard some good things.
Well, we've got a good squad here, Pete. They're really hungry for success.
Yeah, they're certainly hungry.
You said it, Pete.
Make sure you sign for the right team. Virgin Media now is Sky Sports and BT Sport. Get all the football from one place from just £39 a month for the rest of the season, with no need for a landline. Transfer today.
Gary Barlow returns with his live tour, Since I Saw You Last. See Gary at Liverpool Echo Arena on Friday the 11th of April and Manchester Phones for You Arena on Monday the 4th.
New shoes for you. Has he got biscuits in there? It's very swally's tongue. You'll get bound up a YouTube for the for